Those mysterious powers that destroyed the lost Atlantis are gnawing at the roots of our civilization. Everywhere there has to be integrity, or in time, when it becomes obvious that the individual or the group will not redeem itself, then it is put away and another takes its place. But that other is the same one with a new chance, a new opportunity, and a new environment, but usually a more strenuous lesson. So in the study of all these things, we sometimes also say to ourselves, why should we try to improve our natures? Why are we all studying in the effort to be little more than we have been? We are studying very definitely because inside of us is something that is suffering. There is pain in the heart, in the mind. There is worry. There is anxiety. And there are constant compromises of integrity with bitter consequences. All these things are happening to us every day, and we do not know what to do about it. We feel that there should be someone make a law to put these things straight. This is impossible, because we cannot make laws for each other. We must make a law for ourselves and live it. And the only remedy for the problem is not to try to legislate out of it, but to get out of it through the positive application of principles to our own conduct. And this is beginning to get more or less obvious. We are beginning to see that a beautiful plan is endangered by the selfishness and cupidity of individuals. And that cupidity and selfishness arises from the magnetic field. This magnetic field is the first source of this sickness. It is the result of eternal compromise and eternal selfishness, unbridled ambition, every type of corruption and demoralization. These things have sickened the source of our vitality. They have sickened the invisible supplies which we require in order to grow and fulfill our destiny. Now, these ailments are well known to the ancients. We find in the various clinics of Hippocrates, and later in the writings of Paracelsus von Hohenheim, that the ancients were well aware that the great source of our pain is inside, not in the world. That the world suffers because we are wrong, and that we are suffering because not of the sorrows of the world, but of our own failure to put our own lives in order.